Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to talk about SSL and TLS protocols. Both are used by HTTPS to protect the data and information. Let's start with SSL. SSL stands for Secure Socket Layer. SSL is an encryption-based internet security protocol. It is a standard technology for keeping an internet connection secure and protecting any sensitive data that is being sent between two computers, preventing criminals from reading and modifying any information transferred, including personal details. These two computers can be a server and a client, for example, a shopping website and a browser. SSL creates an encrypted link between a server and a client, typically a website and a browser, mail server and a mail client, such as Microsoft Outlook. SSL uses encryption algorithms to scramble information as it is sent over the internet connection. This information could be anything sensitive or personal, which can include username, password, credit card numbers, and other financial information like name and address. SSL performs two major functions. First one is verification. It means browser can check the website's identity to verify their ID. Second one is encryption. It means scrambling the data so third party could not get access. Let's see how does SSL work. SSL initiates an authentication process called a handshake between two communicating devices to ensure that both devices are really who they claim they are. Let's break it down into further details. In the first step, browser connects to a website that is secured with SSL and browser requests the server identify itself. In the second step, server sends a copy of its SSL certificate, a small digital certificate to confirm the originality of the website. SSL certificates is like an ID card or a badge that proves someone's identity. In third step, browser checks the certificate that the certificate is not expired or revoked. If the browser trusts the certificate, it will send a OK message to web server. In fourth step, server will respond back with an acknowledgement. An encrypted session will begin. In the final step, server and browser now can transmit encrypted data between each other. In addition to that, SSL can be used to secure the following things: online credit card transactions, file sharing and database connection, web mail server, email client, email server, and system logins to applications and control panels. Let's talk about TLS, Transport Layer Security. TLS is an update of SSL and it is the successor protocol to SSL. TLS is the latest version of cryptographic protocol to encrypt the data and information like SSL. SSL and TLS both work on the same requirements and specifications. The only difference between SSL and TLS is that TLS is more secure and efficient protocol. TLS is a protocol that provides authentication, privacy, and data integrity between two communicating computer applications. It works in much the same way as the SSL, using encryption to protect the transfer of data and information. TLS is the most widely deployed security protocol used today, and it is also used for web browsers and other applications that require data to be securely exchanged over a network, such as web browsing sessions, file transfer, VPN connection, and remote desktop sessions. It is worth mentioning that a lot of websites are now using secure protocol because Google is penalizing those websites in its search rankings which are not using SSL protocol. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.